by the door, we do have our, I can't want to call it a service panel, control panel. Okay. Hey, happy campers, it's Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Grand Design Solitude 3460FL. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification to be alerted when we post a new video. Now, let's get started. Okay guys, down here we're looking at our outside storage compartment. So over on this side, we do have our battery disconnect. We also have some LED lights and one of our power outlets. And as you can see, we have this nice floor, easy to clean down here. And on the other side, we do have our convenience bay with all the stuff you're gonna need at the campground. And on the outside of that door, we do have our auto leveling system. I know you might be looking at this and thinking, that might not be enough storage that I need when I go to the campground, but just wait until you see the inside because there's so much storage capabilities. Now, let's check out that outside entertainment space. Out here in the outside entertainment space, you can see that there are two slides out here, and that might be a little different, but it's actually a really good thing because we have two awnings. So you brought the kids to the campground, you want to have a kids table over here, maybe an adult bonfire over here, have some adult beverages, you have that separation. And another thing, this is typically an add-on, but they do have those slide coverings over them to kind of separate from that wear and tear. It's going to last you a little bit longer, and those are included. But the typical outside space is still here with your indoor-outdoor speaker system, your windows, and that LED light to keep the outside bright when it's nighttime. Now, let's take a look on the inside. Come on. When you first walk in, you are in your hallway that leads to other parts of the camper, but as you can see right by the door, we do have our control panel. This one's a little bit different. This is your Lippert One Control touchscreen panel. You control your lighting, your awning, your leveling, and your slides from this. But say you're not really that technology savvy, don't worry, we got you. We have our typical control panel here with your buttons and everything right here, easy to use just for you. Now, let's look at the kitchen. This kitchen in this Solitude is perfect for the chef in your family, and let me show you why. There are so many great appliances in here. First, we have this Furrion microwave, and it actually is a convection microwave as well. So you're hosting a big party, have lots of dishes that need to be made. You can cook in here and in the oven at the same time, which is a great plus. We also have the typical 3-burner stovetop with the splash pad included. We also have plenty of storage above and below. Over here, these are a little bit see-through. You want to see if you have enough glasses or cups clean. You can see right in there and see what you got. Also, hang your keys right here and control your fan from this Max Air. We also have a little bit of storage above, more here and to the side, another see-through panel right here. We also have more storage and perfect place for your silverware. Now, let's take a look over here. Let's talk about counter space. In this Solitude, the island is a little bit on the smaller side, but that doesn't stop you from having enough counter space for all your guests and all the food they're gonna be eating at the campground. We have our nice sink here, plenty of counter space. It also has the lids that close up that sink. You can set more things on top. We have this retractable sink head and some underlit lighting with more storage underneath. You could store some cleaning supplies or some more cutlery if you have some of that. And let's step over here and look at this feature. We have this desktop. You can use it as a desk or as more counter space, and it actually flips down. So you need a little bit more room, you have too many people in here, you can put that down and out of the way. And more storage underneath. You could store your desk supplies if you're using this for work, or just more paper plates, plastic cups that can fit in there. And to the side, we have a little bit more storage. Honestly, quite a few shelves in here. You could stick anything you might need at the campground. Now, let's check out the fridge. In this Solitude, we have this massive fridge, stainless steel, double opening doors. There is so much space in here, you guys. Probably bigger than the fridge I have at home, which is really nice in a camper. It also has this underneath freezer, top drawer, plenty of space to throw your popsicles, ice creams, cobblers in there. And remember outside when I said there wasn't that much storage down below? Here we go, so much more storage. We have a top shelf, and down here there's these nice shelves that can be moved to whatever level you have. So you have some cereal boxes, want to move that down a level, fit those in there, you can do that. And there's enough space between to store your broom or your mop, so you need to clean up, just stow it away right here. And next to that, we have our pantry space. This thing is huge. There are some movable drawers. You can put cans in here. You can put some paper plates, many different options to store in here. And they have a trash can. You can probably set that in here. There's enough space in the other pantries too to stow that away under there. But plenty of space. You're gonna have room for all your needs. Now, let's check out where we're gonna eat all that food at. Over here across from the kitchen, we do have our 4-seat dinette. This is a perfect table to eat with all your family and your friends. Plenty of elbow room, enough room to relax, eat your meal, and plenty of window space to look out and see those gorgeous camping views. Now, let's see where all we're gonna be hanging out in the living room. This is a 3460FL Solitude, which means front living. That keeps the living space in the front of the camper overlooking the rest of this Solitude. We're a little bit elevated looking into the kitchen area, but this is a nice and big space. It is a little bit hot here in Cookeville, so we did have these open windows just to allow a little bit of airflow in there and to brighten up this space a little bit. Here we have 2 couches on either side. These couches are nice and comfy with a lot of space that also fold down into a sleeping space. So say you have the grandkids along at the campground with you, there's plenty of space up here for them to take a nap during any time of the day. Also in this living area, we have our typical theater seats. These are nice, comfy, reclining seats that have your typical controls that most theater seats have. We do have a back massage setting, a heat setting, a little bit of underneath lighting, and a USB, so if you want to charge your phone back here, you have the capability to do that. We also have some storage right here for your remotes or your books, or to keep that charger for your phone. Even on the left and right of these seats, we have a little bit more storage for all your DVDs, more books, maybe a magazine. But I know you're thinking, we're in the living room, where is the TV at? The TV is across from your theater seatings. This is what we call a televator. So you want that TV out of the way so you can see out into your nice, beautiful kitchen. You can lower that down into this little space, and by the touch of a button, it raises back up, allows you to watch this nice sized TV. And underneath here where we control that, we also have a USB port and your control settings for your indoor-outdoor speaker system. There's a little bit of storage in here as well. You can fold up some chargers, maybe put a smaller book in there, and you have some more outlets for if you wanted to maybe squeeze a small DVD player or gaming console in there, you can plug those right up. This clicks right into place, and underneath that we do have our fireplace. This offers some nice lighting, and it also is a heater, so during those cold winter months you can fire that up, get cozy back in your living room. And one thing to note, we didn't put the TV all the way up, so that TV does extend all the way up for your full viewing capabilities. Now let's check out the bathroom. This dual entry bathroom offers so much. First off, we have our vanity space with plenty of cabinet space and an outlet for all your styling tools. We also have the mirror, of course, with a medicine cabinet behind, plenty of space for all of your toiletries in there. We have our stainless steel sink, and underneath that, a little bit more storage to hide your cleaning supplies, some toilet paper. Put that right there. Where are we gonna put our toilet paper? In the toilet, of course. We have our flush step toilet, and let's take a minute just to look at this ceiling height, you guys. This is tall people friendly. Say your dad, 6'3", he's gonna fit in here so comfortably, and also he'll fit in this shower. This shower, probably one of the nicer ones I've seen. Plenty of room in here. We even have a seat in the shower, room for our soap, and a detachable shower head. Also, take a second. That is so nice. Plenty of room to shower you, your dog, the kids, and a little soap dish right here. Now, let's check out my favorite part, the master suite. In this super lovely back bedroom, we have a king size bed, plenty of room for a couple. Also, that massive headspace from the bathroom comes over into the bedroom, and that's not something you see a lot. This just opens up the room, doesn't make you feel as tight back here in this bedroom, which is a major plus. Also, in this bedding area, we do have a window up front just to add a little bit more lighting back here. We also have some shelves back here. You can set your phone there. Maybe you want a glass of water before bed. You have that area to do so. Now, let's check out the closet space. Beside the bed, we have this huge closet space. This closet can actually be shut off by this double mirror. Say you put on your clothes from the closet, want to look at it, this mirror is perfect and it's right beside the bed to do that. We have a bar up here to hang all those clothes, and as you can see, I'm sitting on this shelf which has plenty of space for all your shoes and boots that you're going to take to the campground. Below we have a couple drawers, throw your socks in there. We also have a little bit more storage up top, and a great thing about this camper, it's washer dryer friendly, and we can put those right next door in this closet space. These move out and you do have your washer dryer hookup in there, but say you don't want that and you want more closet space, you have that here as well. There's even more storage in this bedroom. Check that out. Across from the bed, we have more storage space with plenty of drawers for all your socks or other needs that you're gonna want. And above that, we have your TV. That does swivel a little bit if you want to see it from other parts of the room, but mostly across from your bed is where you're going to be watching that television from, and it's perfect to do that right here. Also, we have a window, offer a little bit more light if you want to see your beautiful views while you're going to bed. You can do that here. If you're interested in this Solitude or any other campers we might have, give us a call or text, or visit us online at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.